Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best patio umbrellas on Amazon. A patio umbrella is essential for enjoying hot summer days in the comfort of your backyard. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Sunnyglade Patio Umbrella. As a completely polyester option, this patio umbrella is waterproof, long-lasting, and easy to clean. The pole, along with its 8 sturdy ribs, is made of powder-coated aluminum. Together, they provide unparalleled strength and stability. It works well with round, square, and rectangular tables with anywhere from 4 to 6 chairs. This patio umbrella includes a push-button tilt and a crank-open function, making it convenient to relax and be comfortable. It is the perfect choice if you want an easy-to-use, durable, and reliable patio umbrella for great value. Its weatherproof construction ensures durability and longevity. What we like about it: great style for outdoor space. Durable and user-friendly construction. Weatherproof and long-lasting material. What we don't like about it: limited color selection. Number 2. Blisson Outdoor Market Patio Umbrella. The Blisson Outdoor Market Patio Umbrella is an attractive addition to any outdoor area. The modern design and polyester fabric provide superior protection from the sun. That way, you can stay cool and comfortable as you enjoy the outdoors. The sturdy aluminum pole offers a lot of support. Plus, the patio umbrella is both lightweight and rust-proof. Plus, the air vent at the top keeps air flowing. As a result, it won't overheat in direct sunlight. The umbrella is easy to use thanks to its crank-open system, making the setup process effortless. With the push-button tilt, you can adjust the angles and control where the shade lands as well. What we like about it: sturdy and holds up well. Affordable price and pivot feature. Easy to raise and lower umbrella. What we don't like about it: possibility of rusting. Number 3. Best Choice Lighted Patio Umbrella. The Best Choice Lighted Patio Umbrella is a great choice for protecting you from the sun. What is more, its innovative design featuring 24 solar-powered LED lights provides a comforting glow for 6 to 7 hours per night. That way, you can relax with ambient lighting in the evenings. The high quality and water-resistant fabric makes this umbrella incredibly durable. In turn, this patio umbrella will last you for years to come. The easy push-button tilt system allows you to customize the shade. Similarly, the wind vent cools the air flowing below the umbrella, keeping you cool no matter the weather. The convenient crank handle makes it easy to open and close the umbrella with minimal effort as well. What we like about it: comes with solar lights. Made from high-quality materials. Tilt mechanism for acquiring desired shade. What we don't like about it: the pole may be too small for some. Number 4. Elite Shade Market Patio Umbrella. The Elite Shade Market Patio Umbrella is perfect for anyone wanting to invest in a long-lasting and reliable outdoor patio umbrella. The umbrella is made from solution-dyed acrylic fabric. So, not only will you get 10 years of non-fading protection, but you'll also benefit from water and oil resistance. The sun protection offered by this outdoor patio umbrella is top-notch as well. It features a high-quality and impermeable fabric, providing effective insulation from the sun's rays. This will protect you from damage related to tanning or burning. The umbrella frame is made out of highly durable aluminum as well. It also features a brown powder-coated finish with 8 ribs for strength and stability. What we like about it: sturdy umbrella frame. Large size and attractive color. The umbrella stays closed when not in use. What we don't like about it: the crank handle can be tough to move. Number 5. Wiki Olefin Patio Umbrella. The Wiki Olefin Patio Umbrella is the perfect addition to any outdoor space. With a tiltable canopy and Velcro straps, this umbrella can help you combat harsh UV rays. Simultaneously, the umbrella also provides plenty of shade. Not only is it stylish and functional, but this patio umbrella is also very eco-friendly. In turn, this patio umbrella also offers long-lasting UV protection without the colors fading. The umbrella is highly durable thanks to its high-end metal frame. Built with top-of-the-line steel, The frame stands tall without bending or breaking. The hardware is sealed with a thick antioxidant coating, preventing corrosion and rust damage. It's easy to operate and use as well. What we like about it: easy to assemble and sturdy frame. Smooth tilt action and locking mechanism. Excellent value for the money. What we don't like about it: takes longer to crank open and close. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.